Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp messages permanently. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before getting started, it's important to know that WhatsApp only allows messages to be deleted for everyone within a limited time period. Currently, you have approximately 60 hours to remove a message for all participants in the conversation. If you're using an iPhone, open WhatsApp and navigate to the conversation containing the message you want to remove. Locate the message, then tap and hold it until additional options appear. From the menu, select Delete. After that, tap the trash can icon and choose Delete for everyone. WhatsApp will then remove the message from the chat for all participants who are using a supported version of the app. A notification stating that a message was deleted will remain visible in the conversation. If you're using an Android device, the process is slightly different. Open the conversation and tap and hold the message until it becomes selected. Once selected, tap the trash can icon located at the top of the screen. Then choose Delete for everyone. The message will be removed from the conversation, and participants will see a notice indicating that a message was deleted. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!